So how long you been welding for?
That's a good question. I honestly don't know. A long time. On and off though. That's why I suck at welding. You gotta stay consistent with it. I don't know, maybe I started welding like 18 or 19. So like 15 years on and off. I used to do it as a full-time job, and that's when I was pretty decent at welding, and now I just do it when you guys call me. Now I just kind of do it for fun, and when Frankie and you guys need some assistance. So hopefully this new shop will get this area set up a little better. I won't be in a cramped corner, and we can have a little bit more official fab area. Hopefully it'll be a little better this time around. I'll probably bring my better welder down that I have at home, which I don't really have space for. So hopefully it should be good, because this machine's a little outdated and not the greatest machine. So we'll see.
So where'd you learn how to weld?
I didn't really go anywhere. I kind of just taught myself. I started helping out a friend who started a fab shop doing custom architectural metal fabrication, and I did a lot of the prep work and cutting and prepping everything, and I just watched him and another guy weld, and I gave it a shot one day and wasn't half bad at it, so I graduated myself from prepping to welding. Never really had any formal education, which is pretty cool, I guess. But I'm sure a lot of people get their start like that, just giving it a shot, and that's, you can afford it the best way, or if you have the ability to go learn from somebody, it's the most affordable way. It's definitely helpful though, being able to weld and being able to make your own stuff.
Is there anything crazy that you fabricated yourself?
Made a lot of really high-end stuff when I worked as a welder full-time. Made like all the tables and chairs for the Guggenheim lunchroom. Done some like high-end venues. I did a crazy like nightclub, supper club in the city that was owned by a really famous guy. And we ended up having to finish it early for Beyonce's birthday.
What the hell?
So, yeah, I've done some pretty cool stuff there. A bunch of like really high-end restaurants, all furniture for like Las Vegas nightclubs and stuff like that. So that was it for that, and then just welding stuff for my friends or my personal car.
How did you meet Frankie?
How did I meet Frankie? I think through Dustin. So Dustin I met back in high school, and then we ended up going to school together after high school, and I think he met Frankie somehow. I don't know if it was valet or something, and we've been friends ever since.